Hello there, welcome to this Ndebele grammar series for complete beginners. This is lesson 1 where I'm going to be teaching you how to answer the question Uhamba lobani. Okay, so my name is Ndebele. Let's get started. The question Uhamba lobani means whom are you walking with or whom are you going with? Okay, so if you were to meet a friend or someone that you know and they're working with someone else that you don't know, you use the same question. You're going to say Uhamba lobani. You are asking whom are you working with, right? And then also if someone is telling you about their plans to go somewhere and you're interested to know whom are you going with. Okay, someone is telling you I'm going to be going to church tomorrow and you want to ask them whom are you going with, you are going to also say Uhamba lobani. All right. So before I show you how to answer the question, let me give you some words to describe family. Okay. So a mother is called Umama Ndebele, and then Ubaba is father. The child is called Umntwana. All right. So a child is Umntwana. However, if you want to say my child, right, you're going to say umntanami. That is the word umntanami. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and answer the question. Uhamba lobani. All right. You want to say I am going with mother. Ngihamba lo mama. All right. I'm going with father. Ngihamba lo baba. All right. I'm going with a child. Ngihamba lo mntwana. How about I'm going with my child? Ngihamba lo mntanami. Remember, we said umntanami is my child. All right. Here are more words to describe family. So here we have ukhulu and then ugogo. All right. So these are grandparents. Ukhulu, grandpa. Ugogo is what? Grandmother. Okay. And then another word I need you to know is umngane, which means a friend. All right. So using these words that I just showed you right now, let's continue to answer the question Uhamba lobani. So you want to say I'm working with grandma, or let's start with grandpa. I'm working with grandpa. Ngihamba lokhulu. All right. I'm working with grandma. Ngihamba lo gogo. I'm working with a friend. Ngihamba lo mngane. Angitsho. What if you wanted to say I'm working with my friend? What does it become? Ngihamba lo mngane wami. Perfect. Wami is what signifies mine, right? Umngane, a friend. Umngane wami, my friend. All right. So here is what I need you to notice with Ndebele questions. The question itself, it shows you how you should, if you listen carefully, you will know how to answer the question. For example, we've been saying Uhamba lobani, right? Lo. Notice how all the answers were also beginning, had the lo there. It's like Ngihamba lo. The question said Uhamba lobani. The answer is always going to say Ngihamba lo. Right, sitting ngihamba lo gogo, ngihamba lo khulu, ngihamba lo mngane wami. It was all lo. Angitsho. So how would you say I am walking with Cleo? Ngihamba lo Cleo. Angithi, ngihamba lo Cleo. Right. So lastly, I have a question for you, right? Umbuzo is what we call a question in Ndebele. So I need you to say I am working with my grandmother. In this lesson, I taught you how to say I'm working with grandmother. But what if you wanted to be more specific? You want the next person to know that you are talking about your grandmother, right? How are you going to answer that question? So go ahead and put it in the comments below and let me see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.